says the Samago macaw, which is actually a hybrid. We're going to actually show you a little bit of his history, okay? Looking at his gray hairs and his father types, don't forget that here. They are a Scottish macaw and a military macaw, with his gray hair on the father type. They produce a father, which is so the Shamrock macaw. And his mother is a purebred blue and gold macaw,
Or send up for later?
I didn't have it on me. That wasn't mine.
Good.
Yeah. Oh, well, you know, everybody has a birthday. Anybody have a birthday today, this week, this month, this year? Someone's going to have a birthday someday. There you go. So, Shasta, what do you want to say? What do you want to say? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey, we'll see more from Shasta in a little bit. I'd like to introduce you to our other macaw. This is Halo, and she's a Catalina macaw. You want to wave it out with that big old footy? There you go. Now, Catalina macaw is simply a contributing Charlie and a blue and gold macaw. All right, Halo wants to set the record straight, letting everyone know that all the birds you see the show, they hatched here in the United States. None came from Ohio. So with that in mind, we're going to see if Halo would like to do the honor taking our flag all the way to the top. Good job. Okay. Time to read a Cockenberg. Now this one is famous. Over the years, she's appeared on television shows such as The Tonight Show with Jay Leno, Ellen DeGeneres, America's Got Talent, and she was on there with the rest of the flock, a Nickelodeon Unleashed. Her name is Wazoo, and she's a Congo African Great Parrot. Now these are the birds that are known to have the best natural ability to mimic human voice. They're talented whistlers and great imitators of household sounds. I've actually managed some of them on cue, so listen carefully. All right, Wazoo, I'm going to start with something simple. Like, what's your name? Wazoo. The telephone's ringing. Good. Now there's someone at the door. Nice. Can you call the doggy? Yeah. Hey, now you're formed in on a video game. Can you call the doggy? Oh, wait. Formed in on a video game. Is it water dripping? I guess so. Now why don't you blow your bubbles? That was fun. You want to give them a juicy raspberry? Oh my. Come on, Leslie, why don't you open up a bottle of champagne? Very good. Give him a nice big kiss. That's sweet. And are you excited? Yeah. She is excited. She's been doing some animal sounds. So she wants to do chicken. I like it. Now how about a kitty cat? Here, kitty meow. Here, kitty meow. Very nice. And now let's do a monkey. I love it. And are you good looking? Yeah. Well, more than looks, this bird does have some brains. She's learning arithmetic. Wazoo was 1 plus 3. Pretty good. But that was easy. How about 12 and divide it by 3? Well, okay. I think we're on something now. Okay, this time we're going to try subtraction. A big version. What is 547 minus 543? Isn't she amazing? I've been feeling you're on to me. She's trained. Trained to say 4 whenever she hears 3. Just like that. And it works with words that sound like 3. So I can say, Wazoo, if you go golfing, what are you going to say if you hit the ball way over a tree? I will be your daddy anytime. So she's 1 in a million. She's 27 years old. This is Wazoo, our Congo African Gray.